O ne a eme mo lebokosong mme a ikeme ka gore ene ga a dira sepe se se phoso. Go le jalo kgotlatshekelo e ne e shakgetse ka ere Ackerman ke ramaka yo rekisitseng bana gore ba betelelwe.
He had the temerity in this court to testify under oath that it was his golden rule that there would be no sex. The accused, I can't put it in stronger words. I have seen people lie, but the manner that he lied in this court under oath is shocking, to say the least.
Kgotlatshekelo e ne gape ya ganela letlhakore la ga Ackerman la gore ga a bolelela basimane go dira thobalano le bao a dirisanang le bona go akaretsa le molatofatso wa nae mo advocate Paul Kennedy yo neng a le HIV positive.
Is a blatant lie, as the accused, when one views the exhibit and the album where the SMSs and the conversations between him and Kennedy and his clients take place. It is self-evident that the clients tell him what they want to do with boys, and he promises that he will send them boys.
Le mororo Kennedy a sa tlhole a le mo botshelong. Kgotlatshekelo ya re e bone go le matshwanedi go sekaseka karolo ya gagwe mo morerong o.
As an advocate, he realized that the game was up, and he therefore committed suicide. The court is duty-bound to say this so that the victims may get closure insofar as the role played by him in this entire dark episode, which I had the total displeasure to live under for 6 weeks. For me, it certainly wasn't a happy ending.
Katlholo ya mogetswe ka tlatsopedi.
There's so many other complainants out there that went through the same dark cloud as these ones that decided to be brave. And really credit must go to them for being brave enough to say we want to see him face his day in court and pay for what he did to us.
Everything said by the victims was believed, and that is such an important concept if we are going to meet that very important mandate in the President's 5-point GBV program, where we are going to put victims truly at the center of the criminal justice system. And I believe that the judge did that today. And I think also to say there is a limit to the rights of the accused. You will come back on the 18th, and if you don't have a report, we're proceeding.
Ditheetso tse di ka ga sekwebo di tla simolola fa Phukwi a le 18.